Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make stock exhaust sound better easy guide. Start by inspecting the entire system for leaks, loose hangers, and rust to create a reliable foundation for any upgrades. Gently tap along the piping and muffler while an assistant revs the engine to identify thin metal or broken mounts. Taking notes and photos will help track progress and make future swaps faster and cleaner for a better finish. Start with conservative, bolt-on changes that are reversible and safe. Swap damaged hangers and clamps to eliminate vibration and rattles, then consider a resonator delete or mild muffler change to deepen tone without being offensive. Use high-temp silicone or exhaust paste to seal minor leaks and restore a clean sound. Test between each change so you can hear the difference and avoid over-modifying for a balanced, pleasing exhaust note. If you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support more content like this. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle is great to keep nearby during long wrenching sessions and fits well in most cup holders. I love how it stays leak-free while I work under the car. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. When tuning for sound, think about how back pressure affects performance and drivability. Small changes to intake flow or ECU timing can harmonize the new exhaust tone with engine character without sacrificing torque. Always test on a safe road or dyno and listen for unwanted rasp or drone at cruising speeds. Remember to balance your sound goals with local noise regulations so you get a great note that's legal and enjoyable every day.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.